Adding a logo to your Qualtrics survey helps to brand it and give it a professional appearance. Here's how you can easily add a logo to your Qualtrics survey. Log into Qualtrics. Visit Qualtrics and log in using your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey to which you want to add the logo. Click on the survey name to open it in the survey editor. Access the look and feel section. In the survey editor, find the navigation menu at the top. Click on the look and feel option, which opens the customization settings for your survey's appearance. Navigate to the header. In the look and feel section, go to the header tab. This is where you can add elements that appear at the top of every survey page. Add your logo. Click the Add Graphic button. You will be prompted to either upload an image file from your computer or choose an image from your Qualtrics library. Select your logo file and upload it. Adjust the logo settings. Once the logo is uploaded, you can resize it, align it, and make other adjustments to fit the design of your survey. Use the options available to position the logo as needed. Save changes. After positioning and sizing the logo to your satisfaction, click Save to apply the changes. Preview the survey to see how the logo looks.